tonight I decided to deep clean my Genesis Model 1. I have never been this deep inside of a video game system before. Never have I had this much of a jank disaster. And I thought to myself, you know what's the funniest thing I could do right now? I could plug it in. So it's plugged in, and we're going to turn on the power. It is now getting power. Here is its AV cable. We're going to... Oh, TV. TV is on. Go TV. Oh, I'm so scared about what I'm going to find. But there's no time to rest, because we gotta turn it on. Actually, hold up. It is important for me to wear gloves because I don't know what's about to happen. It's red. It's red. Wait. Oh, that's a red screen of death right there. But I think we can fix this. Oh my god. Oh my god. There it is. There it is. Oh, the screen is dim. Oh, it is dim. I think either my capacitors are damaged or dying. I think that's what's happening here, because the color is a bit dim. Yeah, because compared to my Model 3, which is my current daily driver Genesis, oh my god, you are loud. Yeah. Color is just much richer across the board. Let me see. Yeah. I think the Genesis needs replacement capacitors. But man, just to see like the hunk of like board do something was extremely exciting to me, because again, it's a novel thing to me to see a disassembled console actually still go. I'm gonna have to put this all back together and explain this to my partner tomorrow morning. This is incredible.